Hello guys, welcome back to your one-stop education tutorial. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In today's tutorial, the news is coming out from ISRO, that is ISRO is offering the free online certification course in machine learning. Here are some of the details. That is, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is offering a free online course on machine learning to deep learning. The participants can obtain a certificate with the 5-day online course. The course is available free of cost on YouTube also, and the direct application link is also provided in description. So if you want to apply at the ISRO, that is IRS is offering the course, so you can directly apply there. So here you can see the Indian Space Research Organization is inviting application for the free online course on machine learning to deep learning, a journey for remote sensing data classification. The online course will be conducted for the 5-day where the participant will be awarded a certificate. You are gonna get a certificate. The course is offered by ISRO and will be conducted through the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS, as I mentioned earlier. So the interested participant can enroll for the online course that will be conducted between 5th of July to 9th of July between 4 pm to 5:30 pm. The professionals that are working with different applications on remote sensing and data processing and application can participate in this program. This is the course content they have given completely from 5th of July to 9th of July. All the 5-day course content is given here. You can pause the video and read the content. The course will be available on the YouTube channel for free, and the candidate can also apply online mode. Both the links for the YouTube as well as the online mode is given in the description. If you want to apply directly online, you can go and check out in the description and apply. The link is provided, and also you can see the YouTube link also. If you like the video, share with your friends and colleagues, hit like and do subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to